Hello everyone, and welcome to another video where we're talking about place value. Now last time we talked about splitting numbers or partitioning numbers into tens and ones. This time I want to show you another way to represent these numbers. Let's start with the number 45. I put it inside something called a part-whole model. Parts make a whole. Sometimes we call it the cherry model because it looks a little bit like a cherry, but for the video today I'm just going to call it a part-whole model. So let's talk about how we can partition this. Just to prove that you can use almost anything to represent numbers, I'm going to use some wall plugs. So here we know we have 4 tens in 45, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Now the easiest way to partition this number is to tens and ones, so let's do that. We know that we can split 45 into 40 and 5. The wonderful thing about the part-whole model is that you can experiment with this and learn different ways to combine. So I could, for example, let's put 2 tens in there and a 1. Why not? We put 2 tens in here and the rest of the ones. And I can see here that you can actually partition 45 into 21 and 24. You can keep experimenting with that until the cows come home and see how many you can come up with. Please practice these at home. Now something else I want to share with you are free number facts that you get with place value. Let's start with a really simple number, shall we? Let's start with this one here, the number 23. We can see that there are 2 tens and 3 ones. Let's represent that with my wall plugs. 2 tens and 3 ones. Now, the number 2 in 23 doesn't mean 2, does it? Of course it means 20. And the number 3 does mean number 3. Just here. Now, with every 2-digit number, you get 4 free addition number facts. We'll talk about subtraction later, but for now we're going to talk about the 4 free addition number facts. From this, I can see that we quite clearly can have 20 add 3 equals 23. The wonderful thing about addition is we can swap these round, and we know that 3 add 20 equals 23. That's 2. We've got 2 more. We know that 23 equals 20 add 3. And I'm sure you've guessed the last one. 23 equals 3 add 20. Now we can visualize this. By moving these around, and we will soon come to realize that no matter how many times I put 20 over here and 3 over here, or I put 10 over there or 12 over there and 11 over here, that the end sum is always 23 in this case. Practice these at home. See how many 2-digit numbers you can find free facts for. And if you are feeling really brave and you want to try 3-digit numbers, well, we were going to split, we put a little hundreds thing here. See how many number facts you can get for that. Wonderful. Cheers.